Now I'm going to show you what to do with the cabbage still before we start stuffing it. First of all, whatever is left and we don't want to fill it up anymore, or it's too small, we're just going to cut it into small pieces, and we're going to put it aside and add it later on to the sauce. If you there is another option. If you don't want to use those little the little ball that is stayed, you can always take buy a sauerkraut and put it inside the sauce too, instead of those, or with those too. Now the leaves have a very thick part, as you can see here, and we need to take it out before we start with the stuffing. So this part too is going to go to the sauce. As you can see, I took it out. I made it flatter. It helps when you need to roll them. It helps with the rolling. They're not going to be so sticking out. So we need to go leaf by leaf and take this thick part out.